We were trying to build morale within we've got lots of different teams working here, and we're trying to get them all to come together. We're working quite heavily on our vision and what Tap Plains stands for, what our values are. It was really important that we managed to create something together as a team, and this is the perfect way to do that with music. I think everyone knew the songs, which really helped, and they were not necessarily as easy to sing as you thought they were going to be. That The Suspicious Minds was quite difficult, and especially that middle bit, but everyone did really well. I definitely would give that recommendation. I think I was very pleasantly surprised by how easily everyone got involved, and all of a sudden we were all singing, and I definitely didn't think that was going to happen. All of a sudden we were working together as a team, and it was really, really nice to see, and it was exactly what we were looking for.